Hi students, welcome to my class. Today I'll be solving 10 questions. Along with 10 questions, I'll be posting 10 extra homework questions. I want you to watch carefully and solve those 10 questions. Here I'll be solving 10 plus the homework 10 questions. It will be sum up to 20 questions. It will be a good progress in a day, I guess. So please watch carefully and answer all the questions, children. And if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. So now let's see the first question. The first question is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then determinant of 3 into A is. Very simple some question is this. What we have to do is, first there is a formula to calculate this. The formula is determinant of K into A. Determinant of K into A is equal to K power n into determinant of A. K power n into determinant of A. So you have to remember this formula to solve this. So determinant of K into A. Let's see what is these K and N are. Yeah. So K is nothing but K is equal to the constant and N is equal to the order of the matrix. Okay, so these 2 points very important for us. So K is equal to constant of the matrix and N is the order of the matrix. Okay, now if you observe these formula carefully, here K value is given, so K is nothing but the constant. So that will come out and that becomes K, and N is the order of the matrix. So whenever they give determinant, so determinant exists only for square matrix. That's the reason N value will be only one value will be there for N. So it is 3 cross 3. Now for example, if they mention 2 cross 2, in that case N value is equal to 2. In the same way, if they mention 4 cross 4, in that case N value is 4. Very simple it is. Now here in our problem, can you all tell what is the N value? So here 3 cross 3 is given, so N value is equal to 3, and also K value is also specified. So let's write that out. So determinant of 3 into A is equal to, if you observe this and this, so very clearly we get to know it is K value is 3. So it is 3, and we all know N value is what? N value is 3. So 3 power 3 into determinant of A. 3 power 3 into determinant of A. So you all know what is 3 power 3. So by concluding all of this, we can say option C is the right answer, right? So 27. 3 power 3 is 27. 27 into determinant of A is the correct answer. I hope you all understood this. Now, what I want you to do is, similar like this, I'll be giving one more. That is, take the order as 4 cross 4. 4 cross 4. Then determinant of 4 into A. Determinant of 4 into A. Or one more, if I can add, determinant of 6 into A. Determinant of 6 into A. So it will be a huge number, children. Just for your understanding, I'm just allotting this. Try to solve this. Next question. The value of integral e power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x whole divided by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x. To solve this, we need two logarithm properties. The first property is exponential power e power log x. If you have e power log x like this, in that case the final result will be x. E power log x is equal to x. It's not always x. One thing you have to keep in mind, that the base of a log. Here in our mathematics, whenever they give log without a base, we consider it as exponential. The log x, the base e. When log x, the base e power log x, the base e is there, we take it as the function, that is x. So x is the output here. Okay, now if you observe our question, the question says e power 6 log x. E power 6 log x. So if it was only e power log x like this, we would have written x. But here we have 6 log x. So for that, there is one more property, that is e power, log a power b. Log a power b is equal to b b log a. A power b is equal to b log a. So this is one of the property in the log. Now if imagine if I have this, that is b log a. So b log a can be taken as the previous one. So it is log a power b. Yes, log a power b can be taken. So similarly, if I apply the same second property, that is b log a property. So here we have b as 6 and log a as x. So that becomes log, okay, let's write e exponential, e power log x power 6. Now it is ready to cancel. We can use the we can apply the first property here. Exponential and log are together. We can cancel this and this. What is left out? It is x power 6. X power 6 is left out. So similarly, if I use the same property for e power 5 log x, 5 log x, it becomes first the second property we have to apply, e power log x power 5, and now we can cancel log and exponential. What do we get? X power 5. So similarly for e power 4 log x becomes e power 4 log x becomes x power 4, and e power 3 log x becomes x power 3. Okay, now it is solved fully. So let's take this. In place of e power 6 log x, I'll consider x power 6, and in place of x power e power 5 log x, I'll take x power 5 whole divided by, it is x power 4 minus x power 3 dx. Okay. Next, in the numerator, I'll take x power 5 common, the least power, that is x power 5 common. What is left out? It is x minus 1 is left out. And in the denominator, it is x power, the least power is x power 3. I'll take that common. It is x minus 1. X minus 1. Yeah. So we'll cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1. What is x power 5 by x power 3? It becomes x power 2. Now I'll put integration and dx. You all know integration of x square. What is integration of x square? Okay, let's use the general formula. So integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Yeah, so x square becomes x power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3 plus c. Yeah, so in CET they don't worry about the plus c and all, so don't worry. So we can say that option B. Yeah, option B is the right answer. Now the homework question for this is, let us take a little space here. Okay. Now I want you to try this out. The question is, homework, e power 7 log x minus e power 4 log x whole divided by e power 6 log x minus e power 3 log x into dx. Yeah, along with integration. Okay, so I want you to try this out, children. And if you are getting the answer or if you are getting any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Next question, the order and degree of the differential equation. So the equation is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine of dy by dx the whole power 3 by 4 is equal to d square y by dx square. So we have solved, the similar kind of questions in the last CET class. So let's see how to solve this. So very simple. if you observe the given differential equation carefully, here sin dy by dx inside sine, right? Inside sin x function. So we can easily say that degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. But directly we got this answer, that is the degree is not defined. But let's see why order is 2. Why order is 2. Okay. So now I'll write this equation. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine dy by dx the whole power 3 by 4 is equal to d square y by dx square. Okay. Now, since the power in the left hand side, we have 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is not a ideal power. We should have to say the order in degree. That's the reason we'll remove this off. Like how we multiplied last time to remove 1 by 3, we multiplied 3. Now we have 3 by 4. So what number we have to multiply to remove 1 by 4? You have to multiply power, take, it's like square on both sides. Take power 4 on both sides. Okay, so we get 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine dy by dx the whole power 3 by 4, the whole power, this whole power 4 is equal to d square y by dx square the whole power 4. Yes, so we have taken a power 4 both sides. Now we can cancel this and this. Now it is reduced to a cubic polynomial, right? So it is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine dy by dx the whole power 3 is equal to d square y by dx square the whole power 4. Now, if you observe this carefully, this is actually a whole power. Even if you take a cube, we won't get. It's very clear that the order is 2 times the maximum time the equation is differentiated is d square y by dx square. That is 2 times. So order we all got to know it is 2, but the power is not 4. Look at option B. Option B has order is 2 and the degree is 4. Power degree we cannot take it as 4 because dy by dx is inside the sine function, so it is not a polynomial function. That is the reason. So here the order is 2 and the degree is not defined. Option D is the right answer, children. Now the extension problem that I want you to solve further is, so take this question similar like this only. I'll give 1 plus d square y by dx square the whole square plus cos dy by dx the whole power 2 by 5 is equal to d cube y by dx cube. Yeah, so this is your extension question. I want you to try this and comment the answer in the comment section, children. Thank you. Next question, the value of tan pi by 8 is equal to, so there are four options. Let's see how to solve this. First thing is, let's write tan pi by 8, tan pi by 8, and we know the ratio of tan in terms of sine and cos. It is, we can write it as sine pi by 8, sine pi by 8 whole divided by cos pi by 8. Okay, now for this I'm going to multiply 2 cos pi by 8 for both numerator and denominator. The reason I'll tell you later, so you will understand why I am multiplying 2 cos pi by 8. We'll multiply 2 cos pi by 8, and to the denominator 2 cos pi by 8. So the ratio becomes 2 sine pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole divided by 2 into cos square pi by 8. So now you all know one of the formula, that is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Now if I compare the numerator, that is 2 sine pi by 8 into cos pi by 8, what is the value that we have in place of theta? Now if I write 2 sine pi by 8 into cos pi by 8, now in place of theta, what do we have? That is pi by 8. Now let's write that in the left hand side. That becomes sine 2 of pi by 8. So you all know, so 2 pi by 8 is nothing but pi by 4. So 2 ones are and 2 fours are. So left hand side becomes sine pi by 4. Okay, so then our numerator becomes sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4. Okay, so let's see even the denominator. So we know cos 2 theta in terms of cos. So we can write cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if I transpose minus 1 to the left hand side, it becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta, or else 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 becomes 2 cos square theta. Yes, now if I take the denominator, that is 2 cos square pi by 8, 2 cos square pi by 8. Just compare the theta and pi by 8. So so theta, 2 cos square theta and 2 cos square pi by 8. In place of theta we have pi by 8. So now if I replace that in the left hand side, we get 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 8. That becomes 1 plus cos 2 ones are and 2 fours are cos pi by 4. That is equal to 2 cos square pi by 8. Now in place of 2 cos square pi by 8, we can write it as 1 plus cos pi by 4. 1 plus cos pi by 4. So the reason why I brought it to pi by 4 is, we know the value of sine pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. And now the major reason why I multiplied 2 cos pi by 8 to get the general formula. So the numerator we had only sine pi by 8. So the reason why I multiplied cos pi by 8 to get the sine 2 theta formula. So here sine 2 theta formula we got it, and here we got cos 2 theta formula. Now we know sine 45 value for sine pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 whole divided by, and denominator 1 plus 1 by cos 45 is 1 by root 2. If we take LCM, we end up getting 1 by root 2 plus root 2 plus 1 whole divided by root 2. We can cancel the denominator and this denominator. So the final answer is 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. 1 by divided by root 2 plus 1. So do we have this option? Yes, option C, 1 by root 2 plus 1 is the right answer. Now, by taking this problem as a reference, I want you to solve one more problem, which is similar to like this only. Same procedure I want you all to follow. That is, I want you to find out the value of tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6. So, please solve this problem and comment your answers in the comment box. Next question, the value of integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x power 100 divided by sin x power 100 plus cos x power 100. So after seeing this problem, I know most of you would have thought that, okay, it is so difficult to solve, but it's not, children. It is one of the very easiest sum. One of the strategy I'll teach you, whenever you get this sin x power 100 and this kind of a sum, the shortcut is to solve this is integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x. We'll take a general power. So general power is we'll take m sin x power m divided by sin x power m plus cos x power m. Then into dx. This value will be pi by 4 always. So remember this formula. So sin x power m plus divided by sin x power m plus cos x power m dx. So this value will be always pi by 4. Now if you see this problem, so 0 to pi by 2 sin x power 100 and the denominator is also same. So what will be the answer? It is pi by 4. Very simple, children. You need to remember this formula so that you can answer easily. Now I want you to answer the next homework question. So homework is 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 2, sorry, 0 to pi by 2 sin x power 1000 whole divided by sin x power 1000 plus cos x power 1000 dx. I know most of you know this answer very clearly, so please comment in the comment section, children. Next problem, the solution for differential equation, that is dy by dy by y plus dx by x is equal to 0. So there are 4 options. Let's see how to solve this. So let's write the given equation, differential equation first. The given equation is, so dy by y plus dx by x is equal to 0. Okay, so this problem is based on variable separable method, and also here in the question, so the variables are separated, but one thing is we have to separate dy and dx in the left and right hand side. So let's take like that. So dy by y is equal to minus x minus dx, sorry, minus dx by x. Now the variables are separated and now it's ready to integrate. Let's take integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. So integration of dy by y is equal to, I'll keep minus outside, minus of integration of dx by x. So you all know the integration of 1 by y is log y. Log y is equal to minus log x plus, since we have taken log on both sides, even for integration constant, we'll take log c. So this is one of the ideology. Every time we do this, whenever we get log on both sides after integrating, even the integrating constant, we take it as log c instead of c. Okay, so now if we use log property in the right hand side, log y is equal to, I'll write this as log c minus log x. Log c minus log x. So you all know log A minus log B. Log A minus log B is what? Log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. Yeah, similarly, what we can write in place of log C minus log X, I'll write to the left hand side, that is log Y is equal to log Y is equal to log C by X. C by X. So now it's ready to cancel the log and log. Log and log gets cancels out. So Y is equal to C by X is remaining. And if we cross multiply, we get C is equal to X into Y. C is equal to X into Y. Do we have this option? Yes. Option C, XY is equal to C is the right answer. XY is equal to C. Now, extension of this problem, I want you all to try this. The question is dy by dx, sorry, dy by y square plus dx by x square is equal to 0. So what I want you to do is, find the differential equation, solve to the lowest form. It's only one general solution, and comment your answers in the comment section. Next question, the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius at radius is 2 centimeter. So let's see how to solve this. First of all, we have to calculate, we should know the area of circle first. Area of circle is equal to pi r square is the formula. So with respect to this only, we are going to solve this problem. So anything, the rate measure problems, if they ask any solid figure or two-dimensional figure, first we need to know the formula, the base formula. And one more, rate of change of area with respect to radius they have asked. That means if it is with respect to time, they would have given rate of change of radius by time, but they have not given that. So we need to find out dA by dr, differentiation of area with respect to radius. So pi is constant, I'll keep pi as it is. R square differentiation is 2 into r. Next, radius value is given. Radius value is how much? 2 centimeter. Let's substitute that. Pi into 2 into 2. So we get 4 pi. So 4 pi is the answer. So rate of change of area dA by dr at r is equal to 2 is equal to 4 pi. So option D is the right answer. Now I want you to solve rate of change of area with respect to circle when r is equal to 5 centimeter. This is the first one I want you to try, and also find out rate of change of circumference. There are two questions in this. One is find dA by dr, same like how we did it, and rate of change of circumference. I'll give you the formula. The rate of change of area of the circumference of circle is C is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula. I want you to find out dC by dr at radius is equal to 5 centimeter, and comment your answers in the comment section. Next question, integrating factor of x dy by dx minus y is equal to x power 4 minus 3x. So let's see how to solve this. Let's write the equation x dy by dx minus y is equal to x power 4 minus 3x. Now if we divide, it should be in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is the actual format of a linear differential equation. Now the given equation is not in that form. If you observe carefully, along with dy by dx we have x variable, so that's the reason. So we'll divide the whole equation, we'll divide this whole equation by x. So divide by x, we will do it. If we divide the first term, x and x gets cancels out, we get dy by dx minus y by x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x. X power 4 minus 3x, we get it. Now integrating factor we have to find out. So you all know the term. Okay, I'll write integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to integration of e power p dx, e power p dx. So if you observe this equation carefully, we get to know what is p. P is equal to, it is 1 by x, 1 by x along with this negative sign. That is very important here. Okay, minus 1 by x is p. Look at the first equation, the general form of a linear partial differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So it is plus py, but here we don't have plus py, it is minus 1 by x. That p is minus 1 by x is the term. So let's find out integrating factor. E power integration of minus 1 by x into dx. So what is integration of 1 by x? It is log x. So e power minus log x, we got it. But since you all know e and log x we can't cancel because minus is there, minus 1 is there. So as usual, now we'll bring it up. That is, it becomes e power log x power minus 1. Now we can cancel this log and this e. So what is the final answer? It is x power minus 1. X power minus 1 can also be written as 1 by x. So we can conclude option C, 1 by x is the answer. Now your homework question, so take down this. I want you to find the integrating factor for x square dy by dx, x square dy by dx plus xy is equal to x power 4 minus 3x. Okay, so for this I want you to find the integrating factor and comment your answers in the comment section. Next one, the value of sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. Okay, so to solve this, first we need to know the quadrant angles and all, and the allied angle properties. So we'll calculate that. So we all know, so 0, 90, 92s are 180, 93s are 270, 94s are 360. So we'll continue this pattern like this. So next one, 95s are, it is 450, 96 are, it is 540. Next 97s are, it is 630. Next 98s are, it is 720. 99s are, it is 8, 10, and 90 are, it is 900. We'll continue this further. So this is 990. This is 1080. This is 1080 plus 1080 plus 90. 1170. 1170. Next we get 1260. Next we get 1350. 1350. It's not okay. 1350. Next here we get 1440. 1440. Next here we get 1530. 1530. Next here it is 1620. 1620. Next here we get 1710. 1710. Next here we get 1800. And this is 1890. 1890. Now why I wrote this, because here you will understand the reason behind that. Let's see the 53 pi by 5 value. 53 pi by 5 value. So it is 53 into 180 whole divided by 5. 53 into 180 whole divided by 5. We get 5 ones are 5. 5 36 are. So 53 into 36, if you multiply, we get 1908. 1908. So this 1908 can be written as This is the closer value 1890. So can we write this as 1908 can be taken as 1890 plus 18 degree. 1890 plus 1, yeah, 18 degree. So 18 degree. So this is the sum of it. Now the whole equation, so we are writing this in the form of allied angle. Whatever the angle here we get in this line, this is the interchanging trigonometric functions, interchanging interchanging angle, and these angles are, that is in the x-axis, whatever we get it, that is non-interchanging. So you all know, so interchanging in the sense from cos to sine, sine to cos, tan to cot, or cot to tan, and secant to cosec, or cosec to secant. So here we are changing to cos and cos to sine. And one more in the second quadrant. So this fall in the second quadrant, that is 1908 falls here. So this is in the second quadrant. So second quadrant cos is negative. Cos is negative. So let's see little further. We get sine inverse of cos. I'm going to use degree measure only here. 1890 plus 18 plus 18. Observe this, 1890 is here. So this is interchanging angle, right? So cos will become sine. We get sine inverse of sine 18 degree. But one more thing is, it is falling in the second quadrant. So second quadrant cos is positive, cos is negative. So it becomes minus sine 18 degree. So sine inverse of negative will be minus sine inverse sine 18 degree. We can cancel sine inverse and this. This is actually the final answer is 18 degree. 18 degree. But if you observe our option, 18 degree is not there. So we have to convert this into degree measure. So just multiply pi by 180. Pi by 180. We get 18 ones are and 18 tens are. It becomes minus pi by 10. Minus pi by 10. So this is belongs to its range. Belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Yeah, so this is correct. So minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So option D, minus pi by 10 is the answer, children. I hope you all understood this. So one more thing. Here we have discussed a lot about the interchanging the allied angle properties. So this is something new for most of you. So don't worry. I'll make a separate video on allied angle, and watch that and understand more in that. So I want you to try one more question like this. I will give. I want you to try this question. Homework. Sine inverse of cos 47 pi by 5. The value of sine inverse of cos 47 pi by 5. I want you all to do the same procedure and find the answer and comment your answers in the comment section, children. Thank you. Let's see the today's last question. The simplified form of tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y is equal to. So there are four options. Let's see how to solve this. First thing, we have a formula for this. Tan inverse A, this is tan, minus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse of A minus B tan inverse of A minus B whole divided by 1 plus A into B. 1 plus A into B. So this is the formula. Now, if you substitute this in the question, so tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y by x plus y, we get tan inverse of A is x by y minus B is x minus y by x plus y whole divided by 1 plus AB. 1 plus A is x by y into B is x minus y by x plus y. So this is the formula. Okay, now I'm going to consider only the the term which is there inside. Okay, so if I rewrite that, x by y minus x minus y by x plus y whole divided by 1 plus x by y of x minus y by x plus y. Now if you take LCM, we get the numerator, it is x of x plus y minus x minus y all divided by y of x plus y. Now the denominator, we get y of x plus y plus x of x minus y all divided by, it is y divided by y of x plus y. Now if you observe the numerator denominator and denominator both gets cancels out. The final term which is left out is, so x into x is x square plus xy minus something I missed here, I guess. Yeah, it's y minus yx plus y square, and the denominator multiply x into y is xy plus y square plus x square minus xy. So we can cancel xy and xy and this xy and this xy. So what is remaining? It is x square plus y square whole divided by x square plus y square. So we can cancel both of them, this and this, so we get 1. So in place of this complete term, we can take it as 1. So you all know tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? It is pi by 4. So it's not a shortcut. For most of the problem which containing tan inverse, it's around 60 to 70%, I can say. It's based on my experience. Pi by 4 will be the answer, children. It's not always true, so you just have to calculate. This is just a small hint from my side that around 50 to 60% of the time it will be pi by 4. Now by keeping this in mind, I want you to calculate one more extension question, that is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C is equal to pi. Then find A plus B plus C value. A plus B plus C value. Okay, here I have not given the options. So try it out, use the same formula. This is the same procedure that we are going to use to solve this problem. Try it out, and if you get a solution, please comment that in the comment section. Okay, so with this I will conclude, children. If this video was useful, kindly share, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot, children. Bye.